But that comment that said something about asking for the sale or building the confidence to ask for the sale, like if you have to be comfortable in asking people to buy your products and buy your services, like you should be. And I'm talking about everybody. You should be talking about this about people you talk to, people you know, people you don't know, people you come in contact with. But the thing about it is, like I was saying earlier, is understanding and positioning your messaging around not just coming out asking for a sale. Because if you position your messaging the right way, people are just going to pay you because you got what they want at the end of the day. But you got to position it in a way where you're not just talking about your products and your services. Hey, I do kids parties. Okay, so 50,000, and not saying that's what you do, but I'm just saying 50,000 other people said. But your messaging got to be so juicy that I don't get on here and talk about, well, not on here, but I don't talk about, hey, I teach draping. No, I don't. I do, but who want to hear that? Okay, so, but it ain't about me teaching draping. It's I believe designers deserve more money. I help them get it. So now it's like, oh yeah, I do deserve more money. Tell me more. So it's like you have to position your messaging around and make it juicy enough to where it's like, you know what? People be like, I want her. I don't care about all these other boxes of cereal. This cereal right here got everything I need in the ingredients, right? And the bonus is I'm going to get this toy that's in this cereal box. I told y'all I talk about random stuff as examples, but that's like one of my things. Like, you know, when you go down the cereal out in the market or whatever it is, you got all these different boxes of cereal that's competing for your attention. Like, what's going to make you grab the Captain Crunch, right? It's like, oh wow, they got red berries. I like red berries. So it's like you have to position your messaging around a given value, making it where they have to come to you. Like you got the solution to what they need. At the end of the day, once they realize you have the solution, they don't care what the cost is. I'm just trying to tell you. Y'all keep talking about these bargain basement Bettys. They ain't the only ones that's walking these streets, because Betty with the bag walking them too. But you got to be able to find Betty with the bag and say what Betty with the bag need to hear, so Betty with the bag can go in the bag and give you some of what's in the bag, so it can become your bag, okay? I'm just trying to tell you.